Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make the perfect Dahi for Dahi Vada. First, select fresh, full-fat yogurt, ideally chilled. This ensures a smooth, rich base. You'll also need a few key spices to enhance the flavor. Having everything ready before you start makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Let's get started on creating that delicious, tangy Dahi. Now, let's focus on getting that wonderfully smooth consistency. Gently whisk the chilled yogurt in a bowl. The goal is to break down any lumps without making it watery. If your yogurt is very thick, you can add just a tablespoon or two of cold water to reach the desired texture. Remember, a smooth Dahi is crucial for absorbing the flavors of the Vada. Next, it's time to infuse our Dahi with delightful flavors. Stir in roasted cumin powder, which adds a wonderful smoky aroma. Then, season with black salt and a touch of regular salt to achieve the perfect savory balance. For a subtle sweetness that complements the tang, add a small pinch of sugar. Mix everything thoroughly to ensure the spices are evenly distributed. Finally, for the best experience, chill your prepared Dahi for at least 30 minutes. This crucial step allows all the wonderful flavors to fully meld together and the Dahi to achieve a slightly thicker, more refreshing consistency. When you're ready, generously pour this perfectly seasoned Dahi over your soft, soaked Dahi Vadas. Enjoy this classic cooling dish.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.